Hello all. Today I will demonstrate you how to use the show password facility in Android edit text. So let's start developing Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on start new Android Studio project. Then you can choose the empty activity. Then you can click on next. Here you can just provide the name of your application. I'm just giving the name of my application is show password demo. So I want to make the facility for show and hide the password in edit text. Here you can choose the language Kotlin and then you can click on finish. Let me clear what I want to do. I want to implement the functionality in edit text that a user can click on show password and they can also hide the password. This facility is implicitly available in text input layout of material design. And also we can do the same thing by implementing the edit text and checkbox button. So let's do. First of all, you can click on activity main.xml file over here. Now you can click on show system user interface. Here you can just hide this. Here you can click on split and you can simply remove this text view. Now here in search palette, you can search for text input layout. First of all, we will implement the same thing by implementing the material design concept, that is text input layout. You can just click on the add project dependency. It will ask you to that would you like to add this to your project dependency. You can just click on OK. Then it will just build the Gradle and your text input layout will be added to your Gradle. Then you can simply just move, drag and drop this text input layout to your activity, and then you can just simply click on info constraint. Now here in this text input layout, you can just set the input type. Here you can just mention the input type is text password, and here input layout you can just mention that the password toggle enabled, that is true. Then you can simply execute your application and you can test on the emulator that how it works. Yes, here you can see that whenever you type here, for example Parag, and then you can just simply click over here show password, it will be visible and it will be hidden. So this is the way you can implement show password and hide password using that is a text input layout. You can also take the edit text over here. So I'm just taking one edit text button. There is a password over here. You can just move, drag and drop your edit text, and then you can click on info constraint. Then here in this edit text you can just increase the width, that is a match parent. So your width will be stretched with the your emulator size. Then you can take a button, that is checkbox button over here. So whenever user click on this checkbox button, I want to show the password. So I'm just clicking on this checkbox, and here you can just write that show password. So whenever user click on show password, I want that the password should be visible in this edit text. So here this is my checkbox, and for that you need to write the code. So here you can just write the code checkbox dot, this is the name of your checkbox, dot set on click listener. Whenever the user click on checkbox, you can just write the condition that if checkbox dot is checked, it means my if my checkbox button is clicked, then the password should be visible. So I'm just writing here edit text password dot set input type is equal to, you can just set 1, else you can set. So here in else case you can just write that edit text password dot input type is equal to, here you can write that input type dot type class text or input type dot type text variation password, type text variation password. Now you can just execute and run your application and you can just test that I implemented the two types of show password and hide password facility. One is using the material design. Suppose if I write here, for example, Parag, and whenever you click on show password, it will be visible. Now here, you can see that I'm just writing the password, that is Shukla. And whenever you click on show password, it should be visible. Whenever I click on this, no deselect that checkbox, it will be invisible. So this is the way you can implement show password and hide password of edit text in Android Kotlin. That's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.